Informed Beauties, your girl Eunice Marie here. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how or what I use to moisturize my body, how I get that glow, girl. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Eunice Marie, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. As well as, if you like what I do here, give your girl a big thumbs up and share me with the world, okay? So I get a lot of compliments, questions on my skin, so I felt like I should share with you guys what I am currently using for my skincare, or what I use when I rotate in my skincare for my body. It's pretty simple, not a lot of things, nothing that's rocket science. You guys know how I am, like when it comes to my skincare, we keep it simple over here. So let's go ahead and let's jump into it. All questions you guys may have, leave them down below, and links and everything to these products will be down below as well. So let's start off with lotions. Now, I usually have one lotion in my rotation, and it's this lotion here. You guys have seen me talk about this, rant about this, and this is the Shea Moisture's Baby Lotion, Raw Shea Butter Chamomile with frankincense and myrrh. And I love this stuff. It smells delicious. I get lots of compliments on it. And a little bit of it goes a long way. And I will continue to buy this. As you guys can tell, I'm on E and I need more. But this is my go-to lotion of choice. Like, can't go wrong with it at all, okay? Newly to the collection is the Hydrating Raw Shea Butter Body Lotion with frankincense and myrrh by Shea Moisture as well. You guys seen that I got this in the unboxing. A little bit of this goes a long way. It's very hydrating. I have that on currently, and I really do like this stuff a lot. Now, when it comes to my lotions, I don't have multiple lotions. I have one lotion in my collection, and that's pretty much it. But because I have other raw ingredients that really double up, that's the reason why I don't need a lot of store-bought lotions, or I don't need them, because I have a lot of raw ingredients that really work for me. But y'all, this baby lotion, if you have not tried anything by Shea Moisture, go get your hand on this lotion. I'm telling you, bomb. Or this one, bomb. They're bomb. And look how thick they are. Like, I always say, like, this is not a lotion, you guys. These are body butters in a bottle. Like, you see how thick that is? Like, this is a thick lotion. A thick lotion, okay? But they really do the job when it comes to moisturizing. Let's jump into the next one. And this is a raw material. Can you guys guess what it is? Can y'all just guess what it is? I'm going to give you guys a minute. Yeah, if you know me, you guys know what it is. You know what it is. And it's Shea Butter Raw Organic Unrefined Shea Butter, okay? This is it. This is all you need in your life, pretty much. You guys can see that I've been using it a lot. But this is really something that I like to do at least once out the week. I would take this and just, butter myself up in it, because shea butter has so many great benefits for the skin, and it just really moisturizes and protects the skin, especially now in this colder weather where your skin may be a little bit drier. Shea butter is it, you guys. So this is another one of my staples. It stays in my rotation, and you can't fail. You always got a big old tub of shea butter to make sure that skin stays moisturized, okay? And then, so the last thing we're going to talk about is oils. If you know me, oils are always in my rotation. Can't go wrong with oils. So we're going to talk about my most used oil first in the past month to now, and it has been jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has been my go-to oil. It is a little bit thicker than my other two oils, and I use oils as more of a sealant for my skin. So after I apply my lotions or my shea butter, I would apply this on top just to seal in everything, and also to add to that glow that you guys see that I do have when it comes to my skin. I just love jojoba oil. It is great. Can't go wrong with a bottle of jojoba oil. The next oil I'm going to talk about is almond oil. Now, almond oil I use more in the summertime than in the wintertime because it is lighter than the jojoba oil, but I still use it. I grab it when I'm like, what oil should I use? Okay, let's use almond oil today. But they all have great benefits for the skin. This also too gives you a great glow. Like if you like take a little bit of almond oil, can't go wrong. Like just put a little bit on your skin. You don't even need all that glitter and highlight, all that stuff. Just take some almond oil. I don't know if you guys can see. Put it on your skin. You're gonna have a glow. Like oils are gonna add that glow to your skin naturally. So almond oil is another one of my favorites. And then the last oil is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lighter oil and it's cheaper than these two oils, the almond oil and jojoba oils, but it does a great job with moisturizing the skin. It's great for sensitive skin and it does a job. Love it, love it, love it. The last oil that I'm going to talk about that I don't currently have any on hand, you guys know what it is. Coconut oil, unrefined. Coconut oil has been another one of my faves, but I use that more in my underarm care now, not so much body, every now and then, but I've used coconut oil forever, and I guess that I'm kind of over coconut oil a little bit right now, but that may change in a couple of months. It happens. But yeah, you guys, that is all that I use when it comes to moisturizing my skin, especially now where the weather is a little bit colder, and so your skin may be a little bit drier, but that is pretty much it. Like, that's all I use. I rotate those around according to what my skin needs. And yeah, so with that being said, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Eunice Marie. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.